So in this video class I am going to discuss about how to find the rank of the word. If any word is given, either repetition or non-repetition, how to find the rank of the word. See here I am going to say one small formula also. Here whatever be the word is given, number of arrangements by number of letters into number of free letters before. See, this one I will explain in the problem. For example, here we have to use all the letters of the word Sachin. Here what they given? S-A-C-H-I-N. Sachin is given. If I want to write in the alphabetical order A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Total 6 letters are there. If any letter is given, first we can write in the alphabetical order. So, the rank of the word Sachin, that is equal to, here total all the letters are different only. All the letters are different. Total number of arrangements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factorial by total number of letters, how many are there? Total number of arrangements means that 6 letters can be arranged among themselves in 6 factorial ways. Upon total number of letters, how many are there? 6 are there. Into number of free letters before. Here what is the first letter? S is there. You can cancel in both. Before S, how many free letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiplied by 5. Plus total number of arrangements 5 factorial upon total number of letters 5 are there into, here A is the first word. Here A is there. So here you can cancel A in this sequence also. Before A, how many free letters are there? 0. Plus 4 factorial upon 4 letters are there into, here cancelling C. Before C also free letters are not there. Plus 3 factorial by 3 letters are there into, I am cancelling H. Before H also 0 are there. Next 2 factorial by number of letters 2 are there. If I cancel I, before I 0, plus 1 factorial by 1 into, if I cancel N, before N nothing is there. After completion of the total, you can add 1. That is the word Sachin itself only. This is 6 factorial by 6, we can get 5 factorial. 5 factorial, that is 120 into 5 plus 1 is there. So 600 plus 1, that is 601, that is the rank of the word. If you arrange in the dictionary order Sachin by using all the letters of the word Sachin, we can Sachin, that is the 601th position. Next I am finding the rank of the word F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Either father or mother, same type only. Everything we can do in the same way. Here if I write in the alphabetical order A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6 letters are there. The same way, rank of the word father, total number of arrangement, all are different letters only. So 6 factorial by number of letters 6 are there into, if I cancel F, before F how many free letters are there? 2 are there. Plus the total number of arrangements. These 5 letters can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial ways. 5 factorial by total number of letters 5 are there into, if I cancel A, before A free letters are 0. Now 4 factorial by 4 factorial by number of letters 4 are there. If I cancel t, before t 1, 2, 3 free letters are there, plus 3 factorial by 3 into, here if I cancel h, free letter only 1 is there, plus 2 factorial by 2 into, if I cancel e, 0, plus 1 factorial by 1 into, if I cancel r, before r number of free letters 0. After completion of this one, we can add 1. That is the father itself only. So here we can get 5 factorial, 120 into 2, 240, plus 3 factorial we can get 6 into 3, 18, plus 2 plus 1, 261, that is the rank of the word father. Now repetitions are there. How to do that one? For example, teacher. What is the rank of the word teacher? If I write in the alphabetical order A, B, C, D, E, E repeated 2 times. E, H, R, T. 4 plus 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, repetitions are there. How to find the rank of the word? Here also same formula. Number of arrangements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 can be arranged among themselves in 7 factorial by 2 is are there. So, upon 2 factorial. P are elect of one kind, Q are elect of another kind. So, the number of arrangements n factorial by p factorial into q factorial. Now, how many letters are there? 7 into, if I cancel t, how many free letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus, now 6 factorial by, here also e is repeated twice, 2 factorial number of arrangements. These can be arranged among themselves in 6 factorial upon, here e is repeated twice, that's why we are dividing with 2 factorial. Into number of letters, how many are there? 6 are there. Into, if I cancel, here I am cancelling the first e. Here also you can cancel the first e. Here first one, there second one, don't consider like that. Here whichever we are cancelling, in that also same only. Here first e, here also you can cancel first e. Before that one, 2 free letters are there. Plus, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 are distinct only. So 5 factorial. Here no need to divide with the 2 factorial. Why? Because all the letters are different. So total how many letters are there? 5 letters are there into. If I cancel A, before A free letters 0 are there. Now 4 factorial upon 4 into, if I cancel C, before C also number of free letters 0. Here 3 letters are there. 3 factorial upon 3 into, if I cancel H, free letter 1 is there, plus 2 factorial upon 2 into, second E, 0 plus 1 factorial by 1 into, if I cancel R, before R free letters are 0, plus 1, the teacher itself only. So here 6 factorial into 2 3 times goes, plus this is 5 factorial, here 2 gets cancelled, 5 factorial that is 120, plus 2 factorial 2, plus this is 1. Here 720 into 3 plus 123, that is the answer. Here if digits are given, all the numbers that can be formed using all the digits, all the numbers that can be formed using all the digits at a time from 3, 5, 1, 7, 9 are arranged in increasing order of magnitude. What is the rank of the number 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 7, 9? So 3, 5, 1, 7, 9. If I write in the alphabetical order, in the increasing order, if I write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That is the increasing order only. So here also the same process we can follow. Here we want the rank of this word. If I write in the dictionary order only, if you write in the increasing order, first we can get 13579, 135, 97 like that. Then what is the rank of the number 35179? Here also the same formula. Number of arrangements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the digits are different. So 5 factorial upon total number of digits. How many are there? 5 are there. Into, if I cancel 3, before 3 1 is there. Only one number is there. Here 4 factorial upon total number of total number of digits. How many are there? 4 are there. Into, here cancelling 5. Before 5 how many digits are there? Only one digit is there. Plus 3 factorial upon number of letters, number of digits 3. Here if I cancel 1, before 1 3 letters 0, plus 2 factorial by 2 into, if I cancel 7, before 7 0 are there, 3 letters. Now 1 by 1 factorial, 1 factorial by 1 into, if I cancel 9, before 9 0 letter digits are there. After that, after completion of total, we can add 1. Now this is a 4 factorial, that is 24, plus 6 this one, plus 1. So here how much we are getting? What is the position of 35179? If I write all these by using all these digits, and if I write in increasing order, the position of that number 35179 is 31. Sometimes if they ask like this, if the words are formed by using the letters of the word again are arranged in the form of dictionary, then what is the 50th word? If they ask like this, here again is there, are arranged in the form of a dictionary, then what is the 50th word? So here better to verify the options only. Here what is the rank of this word? Here find we have to verify the options only. Here I am taking N, A, I, G. What is the position of this one? Here if I write in the alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Total 5 letters are there. So total number of arrangements 5 factorial by 2 are alike of one kind. 8 A's 2 are there. Into total number of letters 5 are there. Into, if I cancel N, 1, 2, 3, 4 letters are there, 3 letters, plus 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 letters are there, into, if I cancel first A, 0, plus 3 factorial, all the 3 are different only, by 3 letters are there, into second A, before that 3 letters 0 are there, 2 factorial by 2 into, if I cancel I, 3 letter 1 is there, plus 1 factorial by 1 into 0 plus the word itself. Here 4 factorial 2 times 24 to the 48 plus here 2 gets cancelled, 1 plus 1 that is equals to 50. So here the position of the NAAIZ, that is 50th. So 50th word is this one. Like that we can verify the options. Thank you.